Hello everyone, my name is Narendra Varya. I have been assigned a project by Accenture. Let's know about the project. The project engagement with Social Buzz, a rapidly growing social media and content creation company, aims to address their current challenges as they prepare for Indian public offering IPO, established in 2010 and headquartered in the San Francisco. Social Buzz has witnessed exponential growth, boasting over 5 million active users monthly and generating massive amount of unstructured data daily from various content type including text, image, video and GIFs. With a workforce of 250 employees, predominantly technical staff, they recognize the need for external expertise to scale effectively and manage their data more efficiently. Our 3-month initial project will focus on key deliverable, conducting an audit of their big data practices, providing recommendation for a successful IPO, analyzing their content categories to identify the top 5 with the largest aggregate popularity. To achieve this objective, we will implement a comprehensive approach that includes creating an up-to-date presentation on big data best practices, extracting sample dataset using Excel, and conducting on-site audit of their data center. Additionally, we will merge sample dataset tables and hold virtual session to showcase a previous client success stories and relevant to Social Buzz. Let's know about the today's agenda. Here is a 6 section project recap, problems, the analytics team's process, insight, and summary. The project recap. The project recap is a Social Buzz is a fast-growing technology unicorns that need to adapt quickly to its global scale. Accenture has begun a 3-month POC focusing on this task: an audit of Social Buzz big data practice, recommendation for a successful IPO, analysis to find Social Buzz top 5 most popular categories of content. Here is a problem: over 1 lakh posts per day, 3 crore 65 lakh pieces of content per year. But how to capitalize on its when there is so much analysis to find Social Buzz top 5 most popular categories of content. Let's know about the data analytic teams. Here is the data analytic teams. Andrew Fleming is a chief technical architect and Marcus Rompton is a senior principals, and I am Narendra Varya as a data analyst. I am working as a data analyst in this project. Let's move further. Here is the analysis process of this dataset. I have performed analysis by doing this process. First is data understanding, second one is data cleaning, third one is data modeling, uh, fourth is data analysis, and fifth one is uncover insight. Let's move further. Here is insight. Unique categories found 16. We found an most favorite category is animal, and we found with most number of posts in May month. Let's move further. Here is the 5 most popular categories. This analysis revealed the 5 most popular content categories based on user engagement. Leading the list in is animal with 74,000, indicating high level of interest in the content related to animals. This is closely followed by the science, which generated more than 70,000, reflecting a significant engagement in educational and scientific topic. Health eating is a third rank with 69,000 posts, and technology come up with fourth position, 68,000 posts. Food category has the 66,000 posts. These categories present prime opportunities for a target content campaign to maximize reach and engagement. Let's move further. The most post in a month, you can see in the this graph clearly. Data highlight the month with highest number of posts, showing key period of increased activity. May leads with more than 2,000 posts, making it as the month with the most engagement. August follows the closely with more than 2,000 posts, and January ranked third with more than 2,000 posts. Other months with highly activity include December with 2,092 posts and July with 2,070 posts. This seasonal trend suggests that audience engagement trends to peak during the months of July, August, January. By focusing marketing efforts during these high activity months, business can capitalize on a period of increased audience interaction, drive more engagement and reach. Let's move further. The analysis of content type reveals a distinct preference among user. Photo dominated with 6,500 posts, focusing strong inclination toward visual content that capture attention. Following closely are videos with 6,200 posts, indicating a robust interest in the dynamic and engaging content formats. GIF has come in third rank with 6,079 posts. Audio, while still popular, has the least engagement with 6,600 posts. This finding highlights the importance of prioritizing photos and video content in future campaign to align with audience preference and maximize engagement. Let's move further. Content sentiments. The sentiment analysis shows that the photo has the 6,000 posts have the highest positive score 3,700, along with the negative score 2,057, and neutral score is 832. In videos, 6,245 posts, followed with the positive score is 3,500, negative score is 1,943, and neutral score is 792. If we talk about the GIFs, he has a 6,079 posts, receive positive score 3,381, negative score is 1,924, and neutral score is 774. Audio content is 5,660 posts, he has the positive score of 3,216, negative score is 1,700, and neutral score is 673. Overall, all content I generate more positive reaction than negative neutral responses. Let's move further. Here is the insight. There are a total 16 distinct content categories, out of which animals and science categories are the most popular. One, four type of content: photos, video, GIF, and audio. Out of which people prefer photos and videos. May month has the highest number of posts. The conclusion of this project is should focus more on the top five categories, that's animal, technology, science, healthy and eating, and foods. Create campaign to specifically target those audience need to maximize in the month of January, May, and August, as the number of posts in these months are the highest. These are all about the this project. Thank you very much.